turn a simple script into a full video in minutes without filming anything. In 2026, AI tools like Runway AI, Pictory, and Synthesia are making it possible to transform text into professional videos automatically. In this video, I'll show you 5 AI tools that turn text into videos, along with a full workflow so you can create polished content faster than ever. Let's get started. 5. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 has been around longer than most tools on this list, and it has developed into a very reliable option for turning written content into polished marketing videos. The workflow starts with your text, whether that is a blog post, a social caption, or a full script, and the tool builds a storyboard by pulling out key phrases and matching them with visuals. You then go through the storyboard slide by slide and customize each one. You can change the visuals, adjust the text, add music, and set the overall style using templates. Lumen 5 is particularly strong when it comes to branded content. The template system makes it easy to lock in a consistent look across all your videos, which is important if you are producing content for a company or a consistent personal brand. The platform also has a solid library of licensed stock footage and music, so you rarely need to bring in outside assets. It is not as AI-driven in its editing flow as some newer tools like InVideo AI, but it gives you more direct control over the final result. For marketers and businesses that want clean, branded video content without a steep learning curve, Lumen 5 remains one of the most practical options available. 4. Hagen. Hagen is focused on personalization. It is most well known for allowing you to create a digital clone of yourself, both visually and vocally, and then use that clone to produce videos at scale from a text script. Once you have set up your avatar and cloned your voice, you can generate a new video just by typing or pasting a script, and the output will sound and look like you recorded it yourself. This is powerful for creators and businesses that need to produce lots of video content, but cannot be on camera constantly. Hagen also supports video translation, which means you can take an existing video and have it re-spoken in a different language with accurate lip syncing. This opens up the ability to reach global audiences without having to re-record anything. Beyond personal clones, Hagen also offers a wide library of stock avatars if you do not want to use your own likeness. The interface is clean and easy to use, and the output quality is among the best in the category. If you are serious about scaling your video production and want to maintain a personal presence across a lot of content, Hagen is genuinely impressive. 3. InVideo AI. InVideo AI is designed specifically for creating social media content quickly and efficiently. Unlike traditional video editors that require manually arranging clips, recording voiceovers, and adding captions, InVideo AI can take a simple text prompt describing your idea and automatically generate an entire video. This includes writing the script if you don't already have one, creating a voiceover, selecting visuals, and even adding captions. If you already have a script ready, you can simply paste it in, and InVideo AI will build the video around it. What really makes InVideo AI stand out is how intuitive and conversational its editing process feels. Once your video is generated, you don't have to navigate a complicated timeline like in traditional editors. Instead, you can type simple instructions such as remove the third scene, make the tone more energetic, or change the background music, and the platform will adjust the video automatically. This chat-like workflow makes refining videos fast, easy, and more natural for creators who aren't professional editors. The platform also comes with a massive library of stock clips, images, and graphics. InVideo AI does a good job of automatically matching visuals to the content of your video, so your final product feels polished and cohesive without spending hours searching for the right footage. Additionally, it supports multiple video formats, allowing you to export content optimized for YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or other platforms, saving you the hassle of manually resizing or reformatting your videos. 2. Synthesia. Synthesia offers a unique approach to video creation that sets it apart from traditional tools that rely on stock footage. Instead of piecing together pre-recorded video clips to match your script, Synthesia uses advanced AI technology to generate a realistic virtual avatar that speaks your content directly. This means you can type out your script, select from over 100 different avatars, choose the language and voice you want, and Synthesia will automatically produce a video where the avatar delivers your message as if it were a real person on camera. There's no need for cameras, lighting, or actors. Everything is handled digitally. This approach is particularly useful for creating professional and structured videos, such as corporate training sessions, product explainer videos, employee onboarding content, and educational presentations. The AI avatars have become increasingly sophisticated, with many now looking highly realistic. In fact, some viewers might not even realize that the person on screen is virtual, which helps maintain engagement and credibility. Synthesia also allows you to enhance your videos with additional elements to make them more polished and informative. You can include slides, overlay text, insert screen recordings, and add other visual elements alongside the avatar. This flexibility enables creators to produce comprehensive, professional-looking videos that clearly communicate information. It's important to note, however, that Synthesia is not ideal for fast-paced, attention-grabbing content typical of social media reels or TikTok videos. Its strength lies in structured content, where clarity, pacing, and professional presentation are more important than flashy visuals or rapid edits. While the platform's pricing is higher than some other AI video tools, it can be a worthwhile investment for businesses, educators, and content creators who need to produce regular presentation-style videos. The time saved by avoiding traditional filming, editing, and hiring actors often outweighs the cost, making it a practical solution for consistent, high-quality video content. 1. Pictory AI. Pictory is one of the most popular text-to-video tools out there, and for good reason. The workflow is incredibly simple. You paste your script or drop in a URL from a blog post, and Pictory reads through the content, breaks it into scenes, and automatically matches each sentence with a relevant video clip from its stock library. It also adds a voiceover using one of its built-in AI voices, and you can pick from several different tones and accents. Once the video is generated, you can go in and swap out clips, change the music, adjust the captions, and tweak the pacing. The whole thing can be done in under 20 minutes, from a blank script to a finished video. Pictory is especially useful for repurposing long-form content. If you have written a detailed article or a long newsletter, you can drop it in and walk away with a short, punchy video ready to post on YouTube or social media. It also supports branding, so you can add your logo, set your brand colors, and make sure every video looks consistent. The free plan gives you a limited number of videos, but the paid plans are reasonably priced for the output you get. If your main goal is turning written content into video quickly, Pictory is one of the first tools you should try. Turning text into videos has never been easier. By combining tools like Runway AI, Pictory, and Synthesia, you can produce professional content without cameras, microphones, or editing skills. Which of these AI tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials and content creation tips in 2026.